Yeeooo! Another one. Yeah, y'all. I'm not gonna keep you very long today. I know what y'all are here for. It's delivery day, but I want to touch on something a little deeper than delivery day. This video is not about delivery day. It's about something a lot more important than delivery day. And excuse me for my outfit and me breathing like this. I just got the call that the new car is an hour away, and that was probably about 30 minutes ago. So I hurried up and tried to finish my workout. So excuse the appearance. This is how I work out in the winter. So forgive me for that. But let's get right down into it. This is not going to be long. Again, this is really not about delivery day. This is about something more important. Like I just said, this is about friendship. Okay, so the question of the day is, friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Ones we can depend on. Friends. How many of us have them? Friends. Before we go any further, let's be friends.
Okay.
Okay. Alright. I get into clown mode a lot, but let's get right down into it. So we're going to get into, first of all, the A8. I told you I would touch on it at a later date, and this is the episode. So really quickly, because I don't want to bore you all with all this talk. I know you just want to see what kind of whip is coming to the channel. So, as you guys know, when I was going through, well, the subscribers who have been around longer than just now, I went through the whole Turo scam, and that really hurt my pockets. My pockets was hurting before the Turo scam, which is why I believed in this clown to, you know, help me get my weight back up. He took full advantage and wiped me out. So I couldn't afford all the cars that I had. I had 6 car notes at that time. And on some realness, I basically took the Audi, I parked it at my man's crib, and long story short, he got drunk one night, went out driving, whatever his business was, he went out driving, crashed the car up, totally. As you guys know, I had a body shop. That's all done now. But right before the body shop closed, I told him, let's go get the car out of impound. And while the last, couple of weeks that I have the body shop, let me fix the car. He answered the phone one time out of the 3-4 times I called him and texted him, say, yo, I'm on the ladder, I'll call you back. He was working. So bottom line is, I never heard from him. He ghosted me. That's that. I'm not here to knock anybody. You know what I mean? It is what it is. It's a car. As long as he ain't kill himself, whatever. I know a lot of people would be hot and like, yo, forget that, whatever. I've known him for a really long time, but he ghosted me. So that's that. That car's gone. He's gone. Which brings me to friends and how many of us have them. I consider a lot of people associates. So, in having associates, you don't expect a lot out of them. Friends, on the other hand, you kind of do expect things out of them. I'm one of the individuals who do not expect anything out of friends, because I'm the friend who always had to give to other friends, whether that be monetarily, whether it be comfort, whether it be advice, etc., etc. I'm the friend who was always giving, because in my head, it's 2 types of people in the world. It's givers and takers. I'm a giver, and I'd rather be in a position of being a giver, because as a giver, you really don't need much. But as a taker, you always need, or you always want to take something from someone. I don't want to take anything from anyone. I love giving. I'm a giving person, and that's just it. However, to shorten this up, once again, that's where a true friend of mine, which I consider a little brother. He's like my little brother. You guys have seen him on the channel one time. He doesn't want his identity exposed because he's not doing it for praise. He's not doing it for any other reason but him feeling bad for what happened to me. He felt bad for the situation. He had no ill words about what happened. And it was even a mistake how we even talked about it, you know, because I didn't mention this to anybody because I don't want anybody throwing slander out there at my other boy who crashed the car up. I don't want to hear all that. I'm on a different plane. When you get older, you try your best to leave negativity behind you. And in doing so, I didn't really say anything to anyone, but we were on the subject of the 8.8. I told him what happened and he felt so bad, he bought me the new car. I didn't pay for this. I didn't pay a dime. This dude paid for the car. He bought the car cash. Then he sent it. Ooh, I almost said what it was. He sent it to the shop. He got it totally, you know, he sent it for inspection and all the little kinks in it, he got fixed. And then he's shipping the car to me at no cost to me. Again, he doesn't want his identity exposed because, again, he's doing this out of the kindness of his heart and for his love for me, which is why I'm going to expose him. I gotta do it. I'm sorry, yo. I'm sorry, man. I gotta do it. I know you don't want to be out there like that, but I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Sorry. Nobody's ever done anything like this for me. I've done it, but nobody's ever done it for me. So I gotta put you on blast, and here he goes. So that's little bro right there. You know, I don't even, and this was before this. He's been little bro for 20 years, man. You know what I mean? I've known him more than 20 years, but he's been little bro. I don't even know how long, but this is a true friend. And again, it brings to mind the question, friends, how many of us have them? Let's get to this car, y'all. Oh, and by the way, thank you, yo. Thank you so much. I really, really, really appreciate you. If I didn't say it already, and I know I said it 1,000 times, I'm gonna say it 1,000 times more. Thank you. And here she is. You tell me, which one is it? Hit me down in the comments before we take delivery of it, guys. Which one is it? Alright y'all, so by now, I'm pretty sure you already guessed what it is. The A8 replacement is the Audi Q5. And once again, I gotta thank my man Sean for setting all this up. And I wanna link my man right here, Shanks. He's actually from New York, licensed and bonded. Yo, that trailer is state of the art. Y'all saw how it came down. So this is a $65,000 trailer. But I'm gonna put his company's information down in the description. So if you are in Las Vegas, you are in LA, they do daily trips back and forth from Vegas to LA or LA to Vegas. So again, I'm gonna put their information down in the description. No Drama baby mama took the kids to school in the new whip because he was blocking the driveway and she couldn't get out. So that's where we are. I'll give you guys a tour as soon as she gets back though.
Every time I break, there's just more pain to burn. So never, never, never till the battle's won, still kingdom come.
Alright y'all, as you can see, it's very gloomy, it's raining, it's cold. So we're gonna go over this really quickly because I'm already freezing. My hands is freezing. They frozen already. So as you can see, it is the Q5. The Audi A8 replacement is the Audi Q5. 2019 Q5. Oh, man. I know y'all didn't see, but I almost fell in the rocks. But we're gonna run through the interior real quick. That's the outside, and let's get inside. All right, like I said, we're gonna go through this real quick. How many miles is on here? 87,684. Can you guys see that? Yeah, you can see that. 87,000 miles on here. 2019 Q5. It definitely needs a detail, but this car is fairly new. 2019. We got to get, I got OCD, so I got to get that clip, that child lock clip that goes in there. I don't play around. Let's see what's in this trunk. Oh, these are the things that go on the roof. And what is this? I don't know what this is to. I'm sure somebody will tell me in the comments. Spacious trunk, good grocery getter. I like that power trunk. Seats are in decent condition. It's used, new to me, but this is used. And I'm very grateful. Once again, my man didn't have to do this, but he felt bad that my other boy just ghosted me. And it's all good, man. You know what I mean? It's all good. Because, you know, when you are in the business of being a solid person, it comes back to you. You know, don't nobody owe me nothing. He didn't owe me nothing. He just decided to do this out of the kindness of his heart. You know, I told him don't do it. Oh, I forgot this door open. I told him don't do it. It was supposed to be a surprise, but he didn't know what I wanted. Him and No Drama were trying to surprise me with this. And, you know, this is something big. You can't just surprise somebody with a car. Like, he didn't know what I would have wanted in replacement. He tried to get me an A8, but it didn't quite work out that way. There were not a lot of A8s available, especially in the price range. I'm not gonna say what he paid for this. That I will keep private, but I will tell you that I am grateful and I'm very appreciative. Ladies and gentlemen, the Audi Q5, the 2019 Audi Q5.